Hello everyone, welcome to the ITLS Academy. ITLS Academy is now providing you a new course of duration 45 days on the topic Clinical Trial, Design and Interpretation. We are pleased to conduct this 45 days online training to empower the youth for their better career in pharmaceutical industry and medical research. During this course, participants will get an idea about the clinical trial and how to make career in it. The main aim or purpose of this course is to make you familiar with the clinical trials, to aware the participants regarding the application of clinical trial in medical research, to make familiar with career prospects in medicine industry and medical research after completing their education. Here you will be able to learn about the fundamentals of clinical trial design, randomization and binding ethics, medicine research, job prospects in pharma and medical. There will be many topics to be covered under this training. That is the fundamental of clinical trial design, types of clinical trial design, non-randomized controlled clinical trial designs, randomized controlled clinical designs, uncontrolled trials, protocol development and endpoint and patient selection, comparison of clinical trial design, randomization and blinding, basis for randomization, types of randomization, blinding, outcomes or result, outcomes, definitions and types, influence on design, analysis by assigned treatment, subgroup analysis, ethics, statistics for clinical trial design, types of data and normal distribution, test of significance, comparison of means and proportion, data analysis, reporting of trial result, overview of reporting, different ways to report trial results, flowchart, tables and figures. The students of BSc of Biology, Biotech, Microbiology background, MSc student of Biology, Biotech and Microbiology background, BTech student of Biotech and Bioinformatics background, MTech with Biotech and Bioinformatics, D Pharma student, B Pharma student and M Pharma student, and any faculty and research scholars can join this course. All the participants will be provided with the certificate on the completion of the course. So hurry up and do not waste your time. Quickly log on to our website www.itlsacademy.com and register yourself for the program. For more information, you can also contact us as 7080833450.